with the policy question is the question number 1 is that previously declared benefit query. As per previous update, the CEO has declared that she is more interested in settling the actual amount of the members of 2016, 17 and 18. Question number 2 is that what about the 3 years benefit? We have come for the trading in which we signed the documents for profit as well as loss. However, the CEO said that she will check the details and declare in future. Question number 3. What about the future benefit? The CEO said she will check the details and declare about the future plans. Those who will continue with her will be benefited by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grace, inshallah. Number 4. My IBG number is lost or I did not receive the IBG number. The IBG is compulsory to prove that you are an IBG member of the company. It is mandatory. Number 5. My UPR or TCN certificate is lost or I did not receive the UPR number. The UPR or TCN certificate is compulsory to prove the code of your trade with Hira Groups. It is compulsory. Number 6. From where I will get my UPR number or trading number? So for that it is in your own certificate. Kindly check below the barcodes. Number 7. What is TCN? TCN is the name of your digital certificate issued by a company and sent to the registered email. Number 8. How can I log into the link? You may log in to the website, that is www.hiraibg.in, and submit your request, and also can refer to the attached circular. Question number 9 is that what are the documents required for submitting the request? For this, kindly refer to the circular issued by the company. Question number 10. What is the schedule for repayment, or when will we get the money, or when will the payment start? You will get the details of the settlement at your registered email, and also the CEO will declare the same. Now question number 11 is that what about the deceased case? For this, soon the form will be added to the link. Question number 12 is that what about the nominees updation request? For this also, soon the form will be added to the link. Now question number 13. I am not a complainer, then also getting the message to contact the DIO. Why? Absolutely regret for this, but if even you have not done the complaint, kindly send us an email mentioning the below subject that no complaint submitted by me along with your IBG number, and kindly send me the format to acknowledge by IO of area PS, and inshallah we will guide you for this. Now moving forward for question number 14, that is medical emergency and handicap members issue. For this, medical and handicap cases should send one email and WhatsApp also, and please mention the word medical or handicap in the subject. Now the question number 15 is that my phone or mobile number has changed, so what should I do? No problem, you can submit any mobile number, old or new, it will register you. Now question number 16 is that my email ID has changed, so what should I do? No problem, you can submit any email ID, old or new, it will register you. Now coming to the next point, that is technical questionnaire. The question number 1 is that I can access only in the Chrome browser and not others. Yes, because Chrome is a supportive, rest also soon will be rectified. Question number 2 is that I can't operate a link from my phone. Try to do it from some computer or laptop. Soon we will improve for mobile also. Question number 3 is that I can't add more than 50 units. You may try tomorrow. The query will be resolved, and rest all issues will be resolved until Wednesday, inshallah.